Good evening, YouTube. Look at what I have in my driveway. That's it. The FLD. So I've been working on this thing later in the afternoon and more so this evening. Trying to get her somewhat road ready. Well, she's road ready, but better road ready. But that's it. Anyway, we still don't know what we're going to do yet. If we're going to put her back to work right now or if we're just going to hold off on her. But what we do know, here's what I need y'all to do. First, subscribe. Second, like the video. Third, go on Florida's Finest Customs video. I'm going to put their link down there in the description below to the video. They did a video. They just remodeled a Freightliner Classic and did an awesome job. And the way they remodeled it was basically how we want to do the FLD. So it was a really good timing that video came out. So you all go check out that video. The link is down there in the description, or just go to their channel, Florida's Finest Customs, and you'll see like a bluish, greenish color Freightliner Classic that they did. It's a $10,000 bill, something like that. So go check out that video. But the way they did that truck is basically how we want to do the FLD on the interior. Now, go on their video and comment. You all should do something along the lines of, you should do grinding gears truck like that, or something along those lines. You know, grinding gears sent me here. You know, do grinding gears FLD or grinding gears truck, something along those lines. Go blow up their comment section and let them know that that's how they should do our truck. So I have been in communication with them. They are going to be doing our interior. Y'all know that 10-4 Insurance is sponsoring the interior bill, the restoration of the interior. I did find another guy in South Texas who's parting out his FLD and his Classic, and so I will have plenty of interior parts for this truck. So anyway, so I did get this situated. I had to redo this whole ordeal. We are going to have to go to Florida's Finest Customs. Not Florida. It's a Caveman Customs. So many customs. We do have to go to Caveman Customs so he can make me some kind of brackets or some kind of mount for these stacks, because they keep working their way out of the little holders and stuff. And it's because the flex pipe down there is not mounted to anything. So with all the vibration and stuff, it's always getting out of, out of the grooves. So I'm constantly having to remount this over here. But my wife, y'all know my wife's in charge of the restoration on this truck. We have talked about what we're going to do about all this, so y'all stay tuned for that. We're going to be getting rid of this and putting some chrome boxes and stuff on it. Hey, put the skateboard back. No skateboard. I don't want y'all hurting yourself on it. I see. I'm going to be changing the mud flaps and we putting those up. Y'all know my dad gave me those. Well, they're my dad's, I should say. I know we done already the airbags, we done the shocks, brake chambers. I do want to do the tires if we add it back onto LoneStar. I'm going to wait until we get it back on the LoneStar so I can pay wholesale price for the tires. Going to replace these plastic hoses with some rubber ones. I have a MyTee Products spring I need to put up there. Y'all know I just did the batteries on it. Like I said, we know what we're going to do with the side skirts. We do need to get these all cleaned up and polished. Yeah. We got some work to do, but we are excited. But go check out Florida's Finest Customs, that video of the $10,000 bill they did on that Classic on their channel, and comment down below. Y'all should do grinding gears truck like this. But yeah. So I don't know what we're gonna do yet, guys, but actually let's check out the interior. Interior, we already know what we're gonna. Needs a pretty good cleaning. She's been sitting a while. So needs a good sweeping, good mopping, vacuuming. Probably gonna hang up something temporarily to go around the bottom there, just so y'all don't have to look at it while I'm driving. Like I said, I did find some cabinets. A guy's gonna sell them to me for about $1,000. It's about the cheapest I found them. But Florida's Finest Customs, they're gonna be doing the dash, maybe the floor. all the upholstery, door panels. We're gonna be doing a sound system in here, lighting and everything. All that just to say, we have our work cut out for us. Caveman Customs is gonna be involved. Y'all know FJC Trucking is gonna be involved. And Florida's Finest Customs is gonna be involved. And 10-4 Insurance, because they're the ones that sponsor now this whole interior deal. So, and I do have to replace that that small window right there, because I broke that one. But yeah, so I found the interior that we're gonna use for this truck. I'm gonna replace all of the missing pieces in this truck, missing compartments and everything. And go check out that video. That's gonna give you all a really good idea of what we're gonna do to this truck. So stay tuned, guys. We're excited. We wanna get her ready for the Mid-America Truck Show. That's what we're aiming for. That is gonna be the end of March. So we do have somebody who's gonna do the painting already and all the body work. And then y'all know Florida's Finest Customs is doing the interior. So, and then FJC is gonna be doing some of the mechanical. I'm gonna be doing some of it as well as Caveman. So this is gonna be a whole collaboration deal to get this truck situated and where it needs to be. So anyway, let me go ahead and finish working on this thing. I got a few things I want to do to it. Y'all roll the intro. Let me finish getting back to work, and I will catch you guys on the other side of it. All right, welcome back, y'all. I had to stop by Smoothie King around the corner from the yard I park at. But it is Sunday morning. Get some decent work done on the FLD yesterday. Today, I'm on the hunt for some cabinets for the interior. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I do have an idea for some cabinets. I found some, but at this point, I'm just pricing them out to see where I can get them for the best deal. But for right now, let's get on over here to the yard. All right. I did fix this here. Notice the key don't do all that sliding stuff no more. But like I mentioned earlier, y'all go to Florida's Finest Customs video. Go check out what they did to that Classic XL. Cause there's some very good ideas of what we're gonna be doing to this truck. And please leave them a comment and tell them, hey, can y'all please do grinding gears truck like this? Or can y'all please do grinding gears truck next? Something, be creative. But I have been in communication with them, so they are ready for us. It's just a matter of finding the time to get out there with my work schedule. fun fact, before I renamed the channel Grinding Gears, I was going to name it, actually we'll start off on low, just so I can go through all the gears. Before I named it, renamed it Grinding Gears, I was going to name it something like Gears and Jake Brakes, something like that. But guys, we are excited now that we kind of got an idea and to see what we want to do to the FLD, to see it happen to somebody else's truck. Because basically when you watch that video, almost like 90% of the way they did that other truck is what we want to do to this one. About 90% of it. So watching that video, we were like, wow, like to see our vision, to see where it can be. Especially after so many people told us that it won't be able to happen. And it was in a truck to where the condition was almost like this one. Well, not as bad as this one, but somewhat like this one here. But we're ready for them. If y'all have any additional ideas after going and watching that video, like I said, the link will be down there in the description below. I'll post the link of it. Or just go to Florida's Finest Customs YouTube channel and watch their most recent video. It says something like $10,000 job, Freightliner Classic, something like that. But if you have any additional ideas, saying, hey, instead of doing this, do that. Or I like this idea, but I don't like that idea. You know, let us know down there in the comments. My wife reads the comments like I do. As I mentioned, y'all know she's in charge of restoring this truck. This is gonna be her truck, not to drive, and hopefully I can talk her into getting her CDL. But that Classic coming, that one's gonna be mine. Oh, come on. We have the Classic coming. And then hopefully we can get a cab over here in the near future. But nobody will be driving this truck except me. I'm sorry. I know we're talking about building the fleet and doing a lease purchase. This truck and the Classic to come, the Classic XL, these two trucks will be off limits, only for me to drive. All right, my foot's getting tight on this clutch. But I do know the light in front of us is short. There we go, see? Sorry, y'all, I'm not used to sitting this low. There we go. She's kind of putting a little bit. I'm a little low on fuel. Come on, Gate. I'm still trying to find my sweet spot in the seat where I had it before I parked this truck. I need to move move stuff around. We're gonna crank up the International. You know, the guy that parks right here next to me, he keeps trying to buy the FLD off of me. And unless you offer me like 20 grand, I can't give her to you. All right. Gonna let this thing cycle. And then in other projects, I still have my my Ram and my Excursion. I need to do some work on it too. Did I take off this side? Oh, come on. I do need to add some oil. I do know that. Yeah. And I been doing some research, guys, and after talking to Bearded Diesel Guy and seeing some of y'all's comments, I am going to change this out. This might be our problem with that shaking. I'm going to pay more attention later as I'm driving to see if it's coming from that area, or to see if I even feel any more play in the steering wheel. Let's check this coolant level before we crank her up. All right. And if the line isn't long, I'll go take her and get her washed today. I really hope it's not this, because I'm not trying to spend 600 bucks. But yeah, I'm gonna try to order this part here. Bearded Diesel Guy already sent me the part number and everything for it. Are you kidding me? Is the fridge dead? Okay, it must have just cut off, because I got 12 volts in there. Dang it, man. All right, FLD to the rescue. Actually, no. Let's see if I can get my my jump box to work. I want to make sure it works with this truck before I'm gonna leave it in here for my for the driver we're putting in here. But it works for some trucks, and for some trucks it doesn't. Oh, I know how to oil in here. Okay, I'm gonna need that. I thought I was out of oil. I do want to, I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace the batteries on this truck. Actually, do I have a... Well, which one is it though? Okay, so which one is the ground? Okay, I'm thinking usually red, every now and then it's off. That's my key. Usually the red is the positive. I wish I just play it safe and go right to the battery. I don't even see a ground anywhere. Actually, or is that? No. Let's just go straight to the battery. Turn this off. One thing I hate about this truck is where the batteries are. Why International would you have to put the batteries here? Okay, let's turn this on. All right. Let's give it a few seconds. Gonna give it a little boost. Not, FLD's about to come in the clutch. How many volts we got now? Let's give it some time. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead and add some oil. I think it might be that fridge. Now, I know somebody's gonna say, get an APU. Unless I can pay cash for one, I'm not financing one of those things. So an APU is not at the top of my wish list right now. I know you're gonna say, oh, it's gonna, you know, saves engine hours and all that stuff. Well, once upon a time, there was a life without APUs, and truckers did just fine. But an APU is not something that's not a priority right now in our budget. Right now, we're just gonna work on getting both trucks going. I already told the driver, if you gotta idle, idle. If you don't have to idle, please don't idle. We're almost like got about a gallon short. Yeah, almost. I only got a little bit left, so we'll go ahead and put the rest in there. throw this away. I wanted to leave out bright and early this morning, but I didn't want to crank that FLD up and wake everybody up. And she's got a little bit more juice. All right. All right. I will be buying a bigger jumper box for this truck so the driver can have it. Gotta angle these trucks just right. Right about there. All right, FLD. Let's see what you're made of. But also with the APU, I am waiting to hear back from Green APU for potential sponsorship from them. Spoiler alert. All right. You hang out there? Okay. Get this one way in the back. All right. Make sure nothing's not smoking. All right, we'll let these things sit for a little bit and see what happens. All right. We got about 12.3 volts or so. Still nothing. All right, let's try it again. Seriously? Well, guess we'll wait. All right now, act right, act right. Come on. Woo! All right, we're ready to go. Oop. Actually, let's idle up. Did have to use both. Well, the FLD was working, but not as fast as I wanted. Took longer than I wanted it to, but I do have some jumper cables in that truck already. So I'm gonna make sure I leave this pair in here. So many projects, so little time. So we got this project. I got to get the ProStar ready for our driver and my Ram and Excursion. I've got my work cut out for me for a little while. But can't wait to get back in this truck. All right. Oh, we neutral already? All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right. We do have some new mirrors right there for the hood. LoneStar requires us to have hood mirrors on the trucks. So we're gonna be taking those off. But my wife and I, we were talking yesterday, just looking over the whole truck, and I think we have an idea of what we're going to do to the body with moving the tanks and all that kind of stuff. Okay. I did forget to get those low bars home. But I don't know if it's the refrigerator draining, the batteries, or what, but we're gonna get it figured out. Thought that was an air leak. All right. I need to put this jump box up. But let's turn my inverter on so I don't have some spoiled food. All right, I did say the latest I want to leave is at noon. And I did get my iPad to put in here. Let's see, which way do I need to turn this wheel? Actually, I need to dump my airbags because I did drop the trailer pretty low. I gotta adjust to this truck now, driving it. I'm gonna ram it. All right, there we go. Got my fifth wheel under it. I'm gonna put some air in the airbags. I need to get a charger for my phone. Actually, I'll put this here. So I did pull the iPad out of that truck, but I have an extra charger in here somewhere. I just don't know where it is. But all right, we got the fifth wheel under there. Airbags are inflating. But I am talking to a few people on Facebook Marketplace that have some FLD / classic XL interiors. Just trying to see who's gonna offer me the best price. But I'm also talking to, y'all go check out John's Trucking Adventures on YouTube. It's either John's Trucking Adventures or John's Adventures. He's got a cool channel with FLDs and stuff, so, and he knows everything about those trucks. So I did message him this morning, saying, hey, you got any interior parts for me I can buy off of you? John, if you can comment down below what your channel is. It's either John's Adventures or John's Trucking Adventures. I get it mixed up because we also have Josh's Trucking Adventures too. And I often get them switched up. Forgive me, y'all, forgive me. But yeah, John, if you got some parts, we can do a collab video. I can come out there and get them off of you. All right, I can hear the tires inflating. But let me move stuff around, y'all, and let's get on out. The steering wheel is let's move some stuff around and get on our merry way.
If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives.
parked. As I only had 6 minutes left on my clock. Six minutes. Thinking I hear an air leak back there. Yep, we are parked. They're closed, so they shouldn't be bothering me. Actually, I think I'm an inch up a little bit. Looks like somebody's in there. Nice chilly night. Oof. But I'll get in here and get some sleep. One cool thing about this truck is got a bunk heater on here. So that is super nice. But guys, I am almost at 10,000 subscribers. When I get to 10,000 subscribers, I promise you guys, when we bought the FLD, that at 10,000 subscribers, no matter what's going on, that I will get the FLD painted and do the interior on it. Well, as of today, I'm about 60 subscribers away. So hit that subscribe button. And when I get to 10,000 subscribers, we will be taking the FLD to go get her painted. So we've almost had the truck for a year, and it's about that time to get it painted. What time is it? Yeah, it's 1:30 Eastern time. I'm about to get here and go to sleep. So hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if y'all have any ideas. So we're excited. We're definitely excited. I'm gonna get up here in the morning, drop this load off in Atlanta. And then I have a meeting to go to on Tuesday morning. And then from there, we're picking up a PetSmart load going to Dallas, Texas. And then I got some other stuff already lined up. So guys, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I went live with you guys earlier for a little bit. I was waiting on some traffic to die down. We made it here with about 6 minutes left on my clock. So anyway, 10,000 subscribers. We will go get that truck painted. So guys, thank y'all for watching. My name is Shymon Spencer, and you just tuned into another episode of Grinding Gears. I'm gonna catch you guys at noon 01 Central Standard Time tomorrow.